Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. We are discussing lists of Python and we have covered how to create lists, how to access them through indexes and how we can modify them. So till now we have learned that how to access individual items from the list. But Python provides us way better services than this also. We can also slice a list. For example, you have a book. So in a book, you can either turn a single page, like you access a single item from a Python list, or you can slice a whole chapter. You can turn a whole chapter from a book in a single take. So likewise, you can pick up or select a group of items directly from a Python list, and that is easy peasy. Python has simplified the process to a great extent for us. For example, we have the shopping list variable with us, and we have to access only the kitchen items from it. So we will say I want the items from 0 to 3 from it. Okay, and so that will save the first, second, third and fourth item from the list, the shopping list, into the variable called kitchen. Oh, it can't access the shopping list. Why? Because it has forgotten here that we had made something called shopping list. Let's make Google Colab remember it again. Sometimes the Colab disconnects and it lost all the data of variables. So you have to reconnect it in order to make it remember, to remind it. Now hopefully it will remember the variable, the list of variable of shopping list. And now we can enjoy chopping and slicing this list into the variable called kitchen items. Okay? Let's print it out. Print kitchen. Let's see what happens. We have milk, eggs and juice. So we can see first, second and third item. The fourth item, even though we have mentioned it, the Python doesn't take it into account. So if you mention from 0 till 3, this means not the fourth item. Okay? It means first, second and third, not the fourth item. Even though by signifying 3 here, you are actually calling the fourth item. Okay? Now, Python facilitates us more. Sometimes you are in a hurry. You don't want to tell the obvious. I want from start to the third or the fourth item in the list. So we can skip this 0 and this will yield us the same result. And if you want it to have till the end, just skip the second index number and the Python will automatically understand that you want items from this index till the end. If I make this 1, it will take from the second item till the end of the list. If I take the second index, it will take from the third item till the end of the list. Okay? That's how it works. Now Python also offers us a great way to access the items from backwards. So, for example, you want the items for the last two items. How can you tell Python that? You can say -2 or so. So, you can say -2 till the end. That means I want the last two items to the end. The -1 means the last item. The -2 means the second last item. So it is basically getting the second last item and keep going till the end. Okay, let's see what does this result gives us. It gives us the last two items. It is accessing second last item and till that from that till the end, from that till the end. And now if you replace it from here to here, that actually means something a little bit different. Okay, so that means from the start to the end, but except the last one. This means from the start to the end except the last one. And if I made it second, it means except the last two ones. Okay, now see, let's, if I make -1 here, what will this yield? The result. So it has skipped the last item of our list. True, it's not showing us. If I make this -2, it will give us from start till the end all the items except the last two ones. Okay, so this is slicing the list in Python through slice indexing. You are taking a chunk of the book, pages of the book, chunk of the list, chunk of the array, and saving it and using it by putting it in some kind of variable. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next part of powering our skills through Python for AI agentic development.